Okay, when you're adding a subdomain to the GoHighLevel, the first thing you have to do is click on Add. You're going to pick a town. So we just signed the lease for the Albemarle store, so we'll do that one next. We're going to copy this. From SiteGrounds, you have to go to Domain, DNS Zone Editor. We're going to go to the CNAME record. We're going to put in Albemarle. Resolves to this. We'll change this to this. Then we'll go ahead and hit create, and the CNAME is created. We go back here. You have to wait a second. Takes a little bit. All right, it's done. Franchise website. I select home. I'm just kind of guessing on these things. We don't have a. This is the About Us for the Foursquare page, and we'll hit link main domain. And after this, I don't know if there's anything else, because obviously this is the first time we've done it. So we have Winchester, we have Albemarle, and I guess we'll see what happens.